everyone! Today we are making these cute dot valve fingerless gloves. For materials, I am using 3 and for millimeters hooks dot for ply yarn, scissors, and darning needles. Make a slip knot and chain 34. Row 1, 1 HDC and third chain from the hook. 19 herringbone stitch, 12 single crochet. To make herringbone stitch, insert the hook in the third loop under the last stitch dot, then insert the hook in the next stitch. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, pull through all the loops. Row 2, CH1, 12 SC in the back loop only, point 1 HDC, 19 herringbone stitch, CH to turn your work. Row 3, 1 HDC, 19 herringbone stitch, 12 SC in the back loop only. Repeat row 2 and 3 until width is the size of your hand. Check the width. I have to make 2 more rows. Last row, 1 HDC, 19 herringbone stitch, CH1, cut yarn. Checking size. Using darning needle to sew the sides together and leave a hole for thumb. Check for the thumb hole. Weave in ends. Now take 3mm hook into ply yarn and make a round of single crochet dot around the finger side of glove. For design, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet dot 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet. In the same single crochet stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, skip 1 stitch. Repeat the same step around the row. Slip stitch, CH1 and cut yarn. Weave in ends. To make bow, to ply yarn and 3mm hook. Make a slip knot and chain 20. Cut yarn. Make another slip knot and chain 40. Then slip stitch in the very first stitch of the chain, chain 1, cut yarn. Attach both pieces with a string and tie knot. Now sew the bow onto the glove on your desired place. Our cute bow fingerless gloves are ready. Thanks for watching.